How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. Well, if you're trying to install a certain application and you get this issue, what you can do is you can first clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store. Then you can head over. So first proceed to settings. Once under settings, head over to apps. Then here you can search in for Google Play Store. So Google Play Store. Then head over to storage and you can clear cache and then clear the data as well. Then you can open up Play Store, head over to your profile, head over to settings. Once under settings, head into about and tap on update Play Store and check if the update is available and update it to the latest version. Then this should fix the issue. If that doesn't fix the issue, then it might be your software that's the issue. So you want to update your device operating system. To do so, you want to head into settings, you want to head into software update and make sure if the update is available, you can check for updates and install it. However, if it still says so, if it still isn't compatible, there is a quick shortcut to it. What you can do is you can head over to your Chrome browser and you can download the app from it, the previous versions of the application that was compatible with your device, and you can install it. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.